In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Squarespace header transparent, all in just 5 minutes. This quick and easy tutorial will help you give your Squarespace site a sleek and modern aesthetic. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate over to Squarespace. This is your main hub for all things related to your website, so make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one. It's straightforward and will let you follow along more easily. Once you're in, go ahead and click on Get Started. This will take you directly to your Squarespace dashboard. This dashboard is where you can access all the tools and features you need to manage your website, and it's where the magic happens. With your dashboard open, look for the Edit button and click on it. This might be located differently depending on your theme and layout, but it's usually prominent and easy to find. Clicking Edit will take you into a mode where you can start making changes to your site. Now, to focus on the header, hover your mouse over the header area and you'll see an option pop up for Edit Site Header. Go ahead and click on this. It's your gateway to modifying how your header appears. Following that, you'll see a variety of options to tweak your site's appearance. You'll want to click Edit Design next. This section lets you customize the layout, style, and elements that are shown in your header, truly letting you fine-tune its design to your heart's content. To achieve that transparent effect, direct your attention to the color settings. You'll want to select Color, then Solid. This setting pertains to the background color of your header, and by making it transparent, the header will beautifully blend with whatever content or image lies behind it. Now comes the important part, dragging the opacity slider. You'll see a slider that controls the opacity of your header. Simply drag it all the way to 0. This effectively makes your header invisible, allowing everything behind it to come through clearly while still keeping all your navigation items intact. Finally, it's crucial to remember to save your changes. Before you navigate away or preview your site, make sure to hit that Save button. This will ensure all your settings are applied, and your new transparent header will be visible to anyone who visits your site. And there you have it, a beautifully transparent header in just a few simple steps. This little tweak can really modernize your site's look, making it more dynamic and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you create the perfect look for your website.